back here at Tom's. Got to do a little bit of work here on Miss Hazel. Starter cranks, but doesn't engage. Watch, let me show you. Easy enough, because we can get these starters anyway. Not a big deal. Just reach in here. See? So, easy peasy. We have a replacement. Going to do a battery connector here. Down the road, done deal. Battery's disconnected. They're jacked up, but you have to have stand under it as well. We'll go under there real quick. I'm gonna swap out the starter. All right, we've got our starter wire off. We've got our 3 bolts out. And now we get to wrestle out the starter. Hooray! But it's out. Now that it's out, you can see our failure point here. Yeah, that's not good. Lovely. All right, replacement's in. 3 bolts, 1 nut. Let's see how she works. Obviously, don't forget to connect the battery. All right. Come on, baby. Needs to get some fuel up to her. But you can see it cranks. Come on, baby. I know you've been sitting for a couple weeks. Yay! Miss Hazel, ready to go. Beautiful.